I'm T, and today I'm making a video on how to make salad. Salad doesn't have to be boring or fatal. Okay, so I have pasta boiled, I have boiled egg that I cut in squares, and I have minced garlic, I have squared cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, and corns. I'm making a pasta salad. I've added everything in this bowl. Now I'm gonna stir it. I'm mixing it very well, and then I'm gonna add olive oil. I'm not adding much, I'm just adding 1 fork. Adding salt, chili powder, a pinch of black pepper, add a little bit of soy sauce, add a lot of mayo, add a little bit of vinegar. You can use lemon juice, lime juice. Now you can always use more salt or pepper if you want, but I'm gonna let it set for at least half an hour, but you can let it set for overnight. That way all the flavor kind of combine with one another. And yeah,